everyone, it's Mel here, and this is the Confident Dancers channel. We're here to inspire and empower dancers 30 and over to step into hip hop and breaking communities with confidence. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your skills to the next level, we've got you. Have you ever told yourself, it's too late for me to start? Whether it's in dance, fitness, or even a new career, well, that belief is holding you back. But what if I told you that starting later in life is actually a huge advantage? Today, I'm gonna help you break through that mental block and show you why now is the best time to begin. And trust me, I used to struggle with the same thought, but what I've learned changed the trajectory of my life. I know firsthand what it's like to feel like you've missed your shot. See, for the longest time, I used to think if I was meant to be great at something, I would have started this when I was a kid. But here's the truth. That belief, it's a freaking lie. Today's video is for anyone who's ever thought, I'm too old to start. I should have started earlier. Or, I'm not good enough, people are gonna judge me. Well, we're breaking those unhealthy mindsets today. And by the end of this video, trust you're gonna look at your journey in a whole new way. Quick break before we start. If you want my free masterclass that shows you in 9 steps how to have a successful dance career, comment the word masterclass and we'll send that to you. All right, let's start with the big one. I'm too old to start. I mean, I get it. Maybe you see younger dancers or athletes moving quick and you're like, man, I'm never gonna get there. But here's the thing. Your experience in life is actually your biggest advantage. When we're younger, we don't always have the patience, the focus, or the discipline to really commit to something. But as adults, we understand how to learn more effectively. We know how to manage our time. And more importantly, we have a clear reason why we're actually doing what we want to do. Your movement carries emotion and experience, and that's something that no amount of youth can ever replace. So instead of asking, am I too old? Shift your mindset to, how can I use my experience to my advantage? And what I mean by experience is more like transferable skills. This means like stronger mental resilience, organizational skills, or time management. These type of skills allow you to thrive faster because they're already locked in place in your life. So after this tip and you feel motivated to dance but don't know where to start, grab my free online dance program, and the link is in the description box below. All right, next up is one of the most dangerous thoughts. If I was really meant for this, I would have started earlier. This belief keeps so many people stuck, but let's challenge that. Did you know that some of the most successful people actually started late? Here are some popular examples. Vera Wang didn't design her first dress until she was 40. Stan Lee didn't create his first comic book superhero, The Fantastic Four, until he was 38. And Martha Stewart published her first book at 41 and rose to fame after that. The truth is, success has no age limit. Your body, your mind, they're still capable of adapting at any age as long as you're open. And science proves that our brains can rewire and learn new skills at any age. So instead of thinking, oh, I missed my chance, start saying, now is the perfect time for me. Now is my chance. All right, moving forward, let's talk about the one thing that holds people back the most, and that's fear of judgment. Have you ever thought, what will people think of me when they see me trying something new? I'm gonna suck. Maybe you're afraid of looking like a beginner or messing up in front of others. Who knows? But here's what most people don't tell you. No one is judging you in the way you think you're being judged. I mean, honestly, especially in learning spaces, people are so focused on themselves that they don't even have time to criticize you. I mean, a lot of the time, people will actually admire you for having the courage to even try. It's hard to think that, but it's actually very true. I mean, think about it. When you see someone pushing past their comfort zone, are you judging them? Or do you respect them? Chances are you're respecting them. And the truth is, confidence doesn't come from waiting until you're ready. It actually comes from taking action right now. So instead of thinking, what are people gonna think of me? Ask yourself, what if people are actually being inspired? What if me being here will actually inspire someone else to start as well? All right, let's recap. You're not too old. Your experience is your asset. Success has no deadline. And the only way to build confidence is to just start. Start now. So now I want to hear from you. What's something you've been putting off because you thought it was just too late? Let me know in the comments. Let's break through those limiting beliefs together. Thank you so much for letting me share some mindset tips that helped me in my own dance journey. And if this video resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build a community of people who refuse to let age define their potential. And if you're serious about leveling up your hip hop dance, building the confidence you truly want, and want to work with me directly, click the link below for a free consultation call. Love you so much, and I'll see you next Tuesday.